Hello and welcome to the sixth session on the topic Event Logistics and Planning. Introduction. Event logistics is simply the planning and management of all people involved in materials used in a particular event. It includes equipment storage, venue selection, registration, and material transportation, among others. In order to do it right, you must know everything that is involved in the event from the biggest to the tiniest details. That's why knowing the upcoming event trends is a must for event planners. Be acquainted with the expected changes and shifts in event planning. Event logistics, akin to a finely tuned symphony, intricately orchestrates every facet, crafting an immersive experience that lingers in the collective memory. This in-depth journey unravels the complexities from selecting venues to leveraging cutting-edge technology, surpassing expectations to create indelible moments. The intricate management of logistics takes center stage, preparing every detail to ensure the seamless execution of a business event. Beyond the surface glamour of successful conferences, product launches, or industry summits lies a tapestry woven with careful considerations, strategic planning, and a commitment to delivering unparalleled experiences. The logistics of a business event encompass a myriad of elements, each playing a pivotal role in shaping the event's success and imprinting lasting memories on participants. As we initiate this exploration of business event logistics, it is imperative to recognize the evolving nature of such undertakings. The contemporary business realm demands not only efficiency, but a nuanced understanding of the diverse facets that contribute to a holistic event experience. From the intricacies of venue selection to the deployment of cutting edge technology, each logistical decision represents a thread in the fabric of an event's narrative. This narrative extends beyond the physical realm, encompassing virtual spaces where global audiences converge, highlighting the need for adaptability and innovation. In the wake of global shifts, the logistics of business events are undergoing a transformative journey. The rise of hybrid events, blending in person and virtual components, necessitates a reevaluation of traditional approaches. Furthermore, the emphasis on sustainability, inclusivity, and personalized experiences underscores the multifaceted nature of contemporary event logistics. The introduction sets the stage for an in-depth exploration of logistical considerations tailored to the intricate needs of business events in a rapidly evolving landscape. Event venue: crafting immersive environments in the post-pandemic era. In the post-pandemic landscape, event venues transcend physical spaces, evolving into immersive environments captivating the senses. Delve into considerations beyond capacity and location, exploring structural nuances, ventilation systems, and staffing flexibility for enhanced safety. Capacity and location. A holistic perspective venue selection goes beyond mere capacity and location considerations. Uncover the nuanced aspects, including structural intricacies, ventilation systems, and adaptable staffing, all contributing to an environment prioritizing safety. Sanitation and health priorities. Elevating selection criteria. The venue transforms into a sanctuary prioritizing health and sanitation. Explore the integration of health screening, on-site testing, and comprehensive safety infrastructures in the venue selection process. Accommodation and transportation. Navigating attendee journeys with precision. Ensuring attendee comfort extends beyond event hours, encompassing meticulous planning of accommodation and transportation logistics. Explore personalized approaches to attendee needs, considerations for special conditions, and proactive planning during peak seasons and local holidays. attendee needs and special conditions. Personalization at its core, anticipating attendee needs becomes pivotal, requiring considerations for special conditions and disabilities. Delve into how personalized approaches influence decisions related to lodging and transportation. Peak seasons and local holidays. Strategic journey planning. Navigate the challenges posed by peak seasons and local holidays with foresight. Explore proactive planning strategies to prevent disruptions and enhance overall attendee journey experiences. Professional services. Threads weaving the tapestry of event success. The services enlisted for an event contribute significantly to its ambience and success. From fundamental requirements to specialized services, each service plays a vital role in weaving the intricate tapestry of the event. Fundamental services. Pillars of atmosphere examine the essential services every event requires, such as food vendors, security personnel, and creative services for venue decoration. Understand how these foundational elements contribute to the event's atmosphere and overall success. Hybrid and virtual event needs. Crafting engaging digital experiences in the era of hybrid and virtual events. Explore additional services required from AV equipment to virtual event moderators. Understand the nuances of crafting engaging digital experiences in diverse event formats. Merchandise. Tokens fostering connection and engagement. Merchandise serves as mementos and tools for engagement in both in-person and virtual setting. Dissect the role of merchandise, exploring ways to enhance participant interaction and connections. In-person engagement. Tangible vibrancy. Explore how giveaways, prizes, tokens, and swag bags contribute to the vibrancy of physical events. Understand the psychology behind these tangible elements and their impact on attendee engagement. Virtual tokens. Crafting digital connections. In virtual settings, traditional merchandise takes a different form. Explore innovative ways to deliver virtual tokens, ensuring attendees feel a tangible connection to the event in the digital realm. Delivery management and loading schedules. The behind-the-scenes logistics of deliveries and loading are intricate processes contributing to the seamless flow of an event. Dive into strategies for managing traffic flow, ensuring contactless procedures, and maintaining order with precision. Scheduling precision. Mastering the art of timing. Explore the importance of precise schedules, especially in a world where contactless procedures and social distancing are paramount. Understand how well-organized schedules contribute to the overall efficiency of an event. Designated stations. Streamlining entrances and exits. Delve into the concept of designated stations for entrances and exits, examining their contribution to a smooth flow for both attendees and vendors. Understand the impact of organized flow on the overall attendee experience. Logistics for health and safety. Safeguarding well-being with precision. The health and safety of event participants take precedence, shaping overall comfort levels. Delve into proactive measures and considerations defining health and safety logistics. Medical preparedness. Navigating the unexpected. Uncover the importance of having medical facilities in proximity, including hiring first aid personnel. Delve into the meticulous planning required to address unforeseen medical emergencies, ensuring the well-being of all stakeholders. Vaccination checks, if required, and sanitation zones. Proactive measures. Explore the incorporation of vaccination checks, sanitation zones, and the placement of markers to ensure adherence to minimum distance requirements. Understand how these measures collectively contribute to a safe event environment. Bump out logistics. Careful unloading and packing for event closure. The conclusion of an event involves meticulous unloading and packing processes. Explore considerations, schedules, and personal assignments defining the careful and organized conclusion of an event. On-site loading. Emphasizing safe procedures. Explore the intricacies of on-site unloading, emphasizing the need to prevent person-to-person contact. Understand the role of designated schedules and personnel in ensuring a smooth and safe unloading process. Sanitation protocols. Ensuring equipment safety. Uncover the critical aspect of sanitizing equipment during the bump out phase. Explore how careful planning and attention to detail contribute to the overall safety of personnel involved in the packing up process. Event technology. Transformative foundations for immersive experiences. Technology emerges as the backbone powering engaging and immersive experiences in the contemporary event landscape. Delve into the various technological elements playing a central role in shaping modern events. Event platforms and audience engagement. Digital foundations. Explore the foundational aspects of event technology, including event platforms and audience engagement software. Understand how these elements contribute to creating a digital foundation for both virtual and hybrid events. Streamlining platforms and production equipment. Crafting sensory experiences unpack the visual and auditory landscape of events, including streaming platforms and production equipment. Examine how these elements enhance the overall sensory experience for both in-person and virtual attendees. Registration software. Streamlining access and engagement, delve into the role of registration software such as EventSmart in streamlining access and engagement. Explore features like contactless check-ins and attendance tracking, understanding how technology facilitates a seamless and interactive event experience. As we navigate the intricate tapestry of event logistics, each thread represents a decision, a consideration, and a commitment to creating an unforgettable experience. The evolving landscape of events demands not just attention to detail, but a proactive embrace of emerging trends. In this exploration of event logistics, we unravel the complexities and celebrate the artistry that transforms plans into seamless, engaging, and impactful events. Networking and collaboration spaces. Facilitate networking by creating designated spaces where attendees can collaborate and connect. Arrange lounge areas, discussion zones, or virtual breakout rooms to encourage meaningful interactions, fostering a sense of community among participants. Virtual networking platforms. Incorporate virtual networking platforms that enable online attendees to connect seamlessly. Explore innovative tools that mimic face-to-face networking experiences, such as virtual business card exchanges or AI-driven matchmaking. Facilitated networking sessions. Host structured networking sessions, whether in person or virtual, with facilitated discussions or speed networking. Provide topics of interest to spark conversations and enhance the overall networking experience. Customized attendee experiences. Tailor the event experience based on attendee preferences and demographics. Implement personalized agendas, content recommendations, or interactive sessions, ensuring that each participant feels a sense of individualized value. Attendee surveys and feedback loops. Conduct pre-event surveys to understand participant expectations and preferences. Establish feedback loops during and after the event to continuously adapt and customize the event experience based on real-time input. Personalized event apps. Utilize event apps that allow attendees to create personalized schedules, bookmark favorite sessions, and receive tailored content recommendations. Leverage push notifications for timely updates and announcements. Global accessibility and inclusivity. Ensure global accessibility for both in person and virtual attendees. Implement strategies to accommodate various time zones, languages, and cultural preferences, fostering an inclusive environment. Multilingual support arrangements. Provide multilingual support for virtual events, including live translation services and multilingual event materials. Ensure that all communication, including pre-event information and presentations, is accessible in multiple languages. Time zone considerations. Schedule sessions and activities with consideration for different time zones. Offer on-demand content for virtual attendees, allowing flexibility in accessing event materials and sessions at their convenience. These additional logistics considerations aim to enhance the overall business event experience, promoting meaningful connections, sustainability, media coverage, and global inclusivity. Conclusion. As the curtains draw on the symphony of a business event, the significance of meticulous logistics reverberates. The conclusion of such an undertaking is not merely a culmination, but a reflection on the orchestrated efforts that culminated in a memorable experience. The logistics threaded through every interaction, engagement, and presentation emerge as silent architects of success. In the realm of business event logistics, arranging each and every logistics and related item is required to be managed properly. A thorough analysis of logistics and its planning strategies contributes to a continuous cycle of improvement. The lessons learned become blueprints for future endeavors, and the commitment to innovation remains unwavering. In a sense, the logistics of a business event transcend the realm of operational details. They embody the commitment to excellence, the pursuit of innovation, and the creation of environments where ideas flourish. The symphony may conclude, but the echoes of meticulous planning and thoughtful execution resonate, shaping the narrative of future events and setting new standards for the intersection of precision and creativity in business event logistics.